Hello, everybody, and welcome back to another grammar class with Miss Hello. Hello, everybody, and welcome back to another phonics. No. Hello, everybody, and welcome back to another grammar lesson with Miss Hello. So, today we're going to talk about the nouns. Have you ever heard of the term noun? If yes, let's just immediately dive into the lesson to remember a few terms. And if not, then let's get to know with each other the whole idea and the whole world related to the nouns. So buckle up and get ready. Let's go. So the first question is, what is a noun? Well, a noun is a word that names a person, animal, place or thing. So what does that even mean? So regarding the nouns for people, nouns that tell us the name of a person. So, for example, if someone said, well, I met this teacher yesterday in the school, blah, 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 the word teacher itself is a noun. Okay, but what kind of noun? Is it referring to an animal, a person, thing, or a place? Well, definitely it is referring to a name of a person. Okay, then same goes to the word mom. The same goes to the word doctor. And also the same goes to the word girl. And many more examples. So, what you have to know is that the word noun is what it is a word that it is a word that it is a word that tells us the name of a person. This is one of the options. And two, it might also refer to the animals. So it can tell us any kind of animal. For example, the word dog, or even the word cat, lion, elephant, or fish. So whenever you hear, read these words, you will immediately consider them as nouns. But what kind of nouns? Nouns for animals. So they are animal nouns. Like we're not referring to humans, we're referring to animals. Okay? Now, this is the third kind of nouns. Nouns. Now, regarding the nouns for places, because we already know that nouns are not one, they're not of one kind. Now, as for the third type, or as for the third kind, we have nouns for places. So we have nouns that tell us about places where people or animal can be at. For example, school or even home. These two places, they are considered to be nouns when we talk grammarly, when we talk in like grammar wise. Grammar wise, they are considered to be nouns. So whenever you read them in a sentence and I ask you, oh, where's the noun in the sentence? You say, oh, it's the word school, or it's even the word home. Why? Because you say it is telling us about a place where people or animals can be. But what about but so let's now move to and now let's move to the third one, which is the zoo. It's a place where what exactly can be? Yes, it's the place where animals can be at. Okay, now what about the park? Who goes to the park? It's a place, right? It is a place where people go to usually. And now finally we've got the city. So the city is a noun, okay, that tell us, or it is a noun that tells us about a place where people can be at. Very good. And last but not least, we've got the nouns for things. So nouns for things, they are the nouns that actually tells us about things that we can see or touch. For example, the word bowl or pencil, book, chair, bag. First of all, you ask yourself, are all of these humans, like people? No. Like I've never met a ball, a speaking ball actually, or a speaking pencil or a crying book. I've never witnessed like a human in the shape of a pencil or a chair or a bag. So no, we gotta cancel this option. Now, could we possibly say these are animals? No. Like I've never actually seen a barking bull. So we gotta also cancel this option. Okay, so now can I say that they are places? Like, oh, let me go to the book a little bit. You might say I'm gonna go to the book fair, or do you guys like say I'm gonna go to the bag shop? Like yeah, bag shop it could work actually, but you wouldn't say like I wanna go to the bag. You don't go to the bag. The bag usually goes with you, or like you take it with you. So these options are not considered to be places, of course. Now, what about the last and final option, which is the things? Things is the final option that we have. Like, are these actually things that we can carry with us? We can see, we can touch. Yes, they are. So now we understand that we have four kinds of nouns. We've got So, guys, this marks the very end of our grammar lesson. I hope you found it concise and easy. See you later in our upcoming videos. Goodbye.